Hello. So, bleach my eyebrows again, but I don't like the way that it looks on camera, so I'm going to be turning them black. Yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup and yeah, film a few videos because I'm leaving in a few days. Well, actually in like one day. And I haven't filmed in a long time and I'm sorry, but also I just didn't feel like filming, so filming now because I have stuff to do, you know, promises that I've made that I have not kept to these companies that want to work with me, so I owe them some videos from like months and months ago. So that is why I'm back. So I don't know if I'm back permanently, but I'm back right now. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but yeah, I'm gonna use, I was color correcting with my Koki Be Bright, and I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. So I am going back to Korea just for like a little bit because my friends are there and I'm gonna go see them. So yeah, trying to get some stuff done before I leave. Also, I mostly haven't been filming because like school and depression, but that's always the case most of the time. So yeah, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be continuing to make videos once I'm done posting whatever I have to post from like May. I do want to do videos, but like not makeup stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all, because I cannot be consistent and I hate like feeling like I have to post on here because I don't really like, I don't do makeup anymore. Like I don't feel the need to do my makeup anymore. I don't even play with makeup no more, y'all. But yeah, that's why I've been gone like always. So sorry I have not posted if y'all have been waiting for my videos, but yeah. Next I'm going to contour with, I'll use truffle matchsticks. Also, if you see my nails, I have a nail appointment tomorrow, so please don't judge me. Haven't really been up to much, just trying to do my schoolwork. Semester's almost over. I ruined my GPA, so that sucks, but hopefully I can get it back up next semester. I'm gonna try to only take online classes if I can, cause yeah, this is just like not good for me. Also, my teachers sucked. One of my teachers was like racist and it was terrible, so I stopped going to that class. I placed a complaint about it, but they didn't do anything, and he was really annoying, so yeah, I just didn't want to go to that class anymore. What next? I'm going to set my face. I mixed some of this Midnight, no, I'm lying, I need some concealer. I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer. Oh, I'm back in my room sitting on my bed because my old setup was painful and this one's much more comfortable. So if I do make any more videos, this is how it's gonna look probably. Y'all can see my Amazon Prime envelope back there, but that's okay. Should I move it? Let me zoom in some. Is that better? Also, it gets dark super fast now because it's fall and I don't have no time to film because I sleep all day. So these are all artificial lighting. I hope it looks okay. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. I waxed my mustache. It's like not good for my skin. Anyways, I'm gonna set my face now. I use this Ben Nye neutral set and then I mixed it with some of the Maybelline Fit Me, so I'm gonna use that. And I'll leave that to like bake. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I have the Fenty Beauty brow pencil. I've never done this before, so hopefully what I am using will cover up these blonde hairs, which it should because I do my eyebrows black. Yeah, so I'm filling them in black today because I don't like the way they look on camera, like when I'm filming. What number is this? Oh yeah, this is deep black. Yeah, I don't like how it looks when I'm filming videos. Hopefully this comes out okay. I don't have any eyebrow hair over here because it all fell out because of my skin. So this one's hard for me to do every time. It's so hard for me to get them to match, but hopefully they don't look too crazy. Oh, so My Chemical Romance is back, y'all. That's so crazy, and I got a ticket to the LA show. I'm so excited. I don't know how I got a ticket, but I did. So I'm gonna be going there. It's on December 20th in LA, so that'll be awesome. That's like, I always wanted to see them in real life. They're like one of my favorite bands ever. Pretty sure a lot of people have them as a favorite. But yeah, when I was into them, I was too young to go see them when they were touring. But now I'm grown, so I can go see them. And they're back, so I'm happy. Alright. Hopefully my eyebrows don't look crazy. If y'all don't follow me on Twitter, I was like crying about this when it happened. House Labs like followed me on Instagram, and they like DM'd me and sent me like the whole collection. Yeah, I almost had the whole thing sent to me, which is wild because I love Lady Gaga and I really want to try this stuff out. But like I said, I really haven't been putting makeup on and stuff. But maybe I could film that. Trying House Labs. I use their eyeliner. It's really good. Like, so good. Y'all know I always use that same Japanese eyeliner, but this one has like taken its place. And I've been using that one for like, I'm gonna bronze a little bit with Fenty. Alright, and then eyeshadow. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to update? Oh, also I'm going to the what is it, the Melon Music Awards while I'm there. Oh, I'm so excited to see BTS again, y'all. I don't even know. Oh my god, I miss them so much. Like, the tour was so fun. I still can't believe I got to go to so many. Like, can y'all believe my ass went all the way to Paris, France because of BTS? I still cannot. What else should I do? That's really all the makeup I wear, y'all. I'm gonna do some eyeliner, some lashes, and my lips, and that's it. Whenever I do my makeup, it's always the same, and I'm so sorry. What am I doing? Oh, eyeliner. So I'm gonna use the House Labs eyeliner. Are you filming right now? Oh, here, put this on later for the pit. We're gonna make the picture, okay? Okay. How you want me to do it? Just put it like on my eyes. Just put it on. You gonna wash it off me? I usually go out straight with my eyeliner, but I'll be different today and put it upwards, you know? I'm probably gonna hate it, but it's fine. Also, like, I'm so sad. I was gonna do stuff for Halloween. I always regret like not doing stuff, but I just like don't be in the mood. I have all this stuff I plan, and these companies send me awesome like contact lenses to use and stuff, but I just never end up doing it. Maybe I can do a video showing y'all my scary contact lenses because I have some really cool ones. I mean, they was for Halloween, but who cares? I'm gonna stop there before I mess up. So I'm just going to apply some lashes, some mascara, some lashes, and I'll come back so y'all can see me finish my face. So yeah, be right back. What should I do? Same thing I always do, probably. Cool brown for Anastasia. There. Oh, I need my dots. I'll just use this. No, I'll use this one. Oh. This is my finished makeup. Looks the same, except I usually do sparkles in my inner corner, but I don't want to do that right now. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Sorry I didn't have much to say. Sorry I've been gone again. I may or may not be leaving permanently, I don't know yet. Or I might just like switch up my channel because I don't want to do hair videos no more. I don't want to be showing a lot of makeup no more. I don't want to do that type of stuff no more. I'm bored. and I might vlog while I'm in Korea. I don't know yet though. Maybe I'll post something. But yeah, that's all. I'm gonna film the rest of these videos I gotta film before I leave. Don't know what order these will go up in, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a good day or night wherever you are,